my crafty goblins and ghouls, I hope you're having a boo-tastic day today. I have a super fun and easy project to share with you. I created this Boo Shaker card from an SVG digital file that I purchased from the Cutting Cafe. I will be sure to include a link in the description box. I've included this purple sequin bow in the corner. I have this fun little sentiment that says Boo to you. I did include green and purple sequins and then added in these little green googly eyes. And then I used a metallic gray pencil to outline the letters. On the inside, it's blank, but I will stamp in a Halloween sentiment. Now, let me show you how easy it is to make. I'm going to grab my supplies and I'll be right back. I have organized and cut out all of the items that we need to make our Boo Shaker card. We have this base, which is cut out in black on 110-pound cardstock. We have an acetate piece. We have these two decorative pieces. And then we have our title that says Boo. What we're going to do first is glue this piece onto our acetate. I'm going to be using art glitter glue for this project. I'm going to put the adhesive right along the edge of the letters. I don't want it to get too close to the base because I don't want it to smear out on the acetate. And you may want to take a little towel and wipe the acetate just to prevent any fingerprints. Now what we want to do is to adhere our foam pieces. And I've just taken a regular foam sheet that's got adhesive on the back and I've cut it into these thin strips. And I'm going to line the letters with the foam, making sure that I stay on the edge. This will help keep our little shaker bits inside the card. So I'm just going around the shape of the letter. And you want to make sure there are no gaps in between the foam. Now we want to add in our shaker bits. I have some green and purple sequins. And I've also got this fun Halloween mix. Let's add some in. You don't want to add in too much. Now that we have all of our shaker bits in, we're going to take this base piece and glue it on. I'm just going to put a nice thin bead of glue on the foam. So there is your shaker card. So now we will adhere this piece onto the green background. I'm going to make sure this is centered right in the middle of the green. So you have a nice little border around it. And then we're going to attach this to the front of the card like this. Making sure that it does not go over the score line. And there is our Boo Shaker card. I'm going to put a little sentiment on this and a bow, and then we are finished with this card. This concludes my review of my Boo Shaker card. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please take a moment to leave a comment, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that little bell so that you can always receive my future videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now, and happy haunting.